Hello, in this video we are going to talk about Hugging Face. Hugging Face is a hub for powerful AI and ML models, and in this video we're going to learn how to load and use a model in Python. So let's get started. Here's the Hugging Face website. If you don't already have an account, you can sign up by clicking on this link. Since I already have an account, let's get started. So here's the home page of Hugging Face. Here you can go to different models. This just expands the list of models that are available. For this experiment, we're going to talk about text-to-image generation. So once I click on the text-to-image, on your right-hand side it shows up all the different models that are available. And for this experiment, we're going to use the Stable Diffusion X1. Here's the model card that has the information regarding this model. And if you scroll down, you can find the requirements and a simple code to generate an image. So let's get started. So let me create a virtual environment. Now I'm going to source that virtual environment. Once I've sourced the virtual environment, I'm going to install these dependencies. Once the dependencies are installed, I can just copy this code into a Python file. Now let's take a look at this code. So it's basically telling to download the models, including all its necessary files, and pipe it to CUDA. Now CUDA is used for GPU devices, but if you don't really have a GPU, you can actually pipe it to a CPU. It's just going to take more time since CPUs are less efficient in image processing as compared to CUDA. But if you just have a CPU and don't have a CUDA device, you can just comment this out and keep this line. However, I have a CUDA device, so I'm going to use that instead. So what it's going to do is download the necessary model files, pipe it to CUDA, and then here's the prompt that it's going to use, and it generates an image. Now I want to save that image to a file, so I'm just going to do I'm going to provide a file name. It's just going to be a JPG type file. I save this file, and I'm just going to run this Python file, and it's going to download all the models and generate the image based on the prompt. So click next. Now it may take some time depending on your system configuration, network speed, and other things. But for this experiment, I'm using a CPU that's 12 Gen i9, 48 gigs of memory, and an NVIDIA 3080 Ti. So let's wait for the models to complete. Once the image generation is complete, you can go to the file folder, open the file that's generated, and here you can see an astronaut riding a green horse. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And thanks for listening in, guys. Take care. Bye.